Inline cable cleaners remove debris, improve signal quality, and extend cable lifespan. My today's video is about top 5 best inline cable cleaners that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Akfix inline cable cleaners. Akfix a 60 contact cleaner is a must-have for anyone working with delicate electronic components. Unlike regular cleaners, its specially formulated spray is designed specifically for electrical equipment, ensuring fast and safe cleaning without causing damage. It quickly removes dirt, light oil, grease, flux, and dust, restoring connectors and contacts to optimal performance. One of its standout features is the residue-free formula. The spray evaporates rapidly, leaving no sticky or harmful residue behind, which is essential for maintaining sensitive circuits and connections. The non-corrosive composition adds another layer of protection, helping extend the lifespan of metal connectors and contact parts. It's versatile and economical, suitable for computers, batteries, keyboards, and various digital devices. While it's safe for most applications, testing on sensitive plastics or stressed parts is recommended. Overall, Akfix S60 delivers reliable, efficient cleaning with professional-level results. Now our second product is Aky Pro Inline Cable Cleaners. This precision auto-mixing sprayer is a game-changer for AC and HVAC maintenance. Simply pour in your preferred coil cleaner, select the desired dilution ratio, 3:1, 5:1, 6:1, 10:1, or 15:1, and it automatically blends water and solution for accurate, consistent results. No more manual measuring or guesswork. The foam wand produces thick, clinging foam that penetrates deep into evaporator and condenser coils for a thorough clean. It connects easily to any standard garden hose, no electricity or pumping required. Just fill the large 2-quart bottle, set the dial, spray, and rinse. The wide-mouth design makes refilling quick and mess-free, ideal for longer jobs with fewer interruptions. Compatible with acidic, alkaline, and foaming cleaners, it works on evaporators, condensers, heat pumps, and refrigeration units. Built with HVAC-grade durability and tested by professionals, it's reliable for both technicians and homeowners. The included nitrile gloves add an extra layer of safety, making this a complete and practical cleaning solution. Our third product is Weicon Inline Cable Cleaners. This contact cleaner stands out for its advanced formula and reliable performance. Based on a special combination of active ingredients, the transparent spray not only cleans but also cares for and protects electronic components. It effectively displaces moisture, helping to prevent leakage currents and reduce the risk of voltage loss. What makes it especially impressive is its comprehensive protection. It keeps electronic contacts free from oxidation, ensuring consistent conductivity and long-term reliability. By forming a protective layer, it safeguards sensitive parts against environmental influences and wear. The spray is highly versatile, suitable for fuse boxes, intercom systems, gate operators, sockets, plug connections, cable drums, garden electrical equipment, and lighting systems. It works equally well on metal and sheet steel components. Manufactured to 100% German quality standards, it meets strict physical, safety, toxicological, and ecological regulations. Overall, this electronic spray delivers dependable protection and maintenance for a wide range of electrical applications. Now number 4, Semlos Inline Cable Cleaners. This professional electronic cleaning solvent delivers powerful and reliable performance for a wide range of applications. Designed specifically for circuit boards, batteries, computer components, coin mechanisms, sockets, lighting, relay switches, plugs, PVC, nylon, and more, it provides precise and effective cleaning where it matters most. The advanced residue-free formula quickly removes dirt, oil, and other contaminants without leaving behind any film or buildup. This ensures optimal conductivity and helps extend the lifespan of sensitive electronic components. Its plastic-safe composition is a major advantage, allowing it to be used confidently on delicate surfaces without causing damage. The fast-drying, quick evaporating formula means equipment can be put back into service almost immediately, reducing downtime. Each 14-ounce can offers generous capacity, and the integrated cap with straw allows for accurate, controlled application. Overall, this cleaner is a dependable choice for both professional technicians and DIY users. And our last choice is SpeedaLite Inline Cable Cleaners. The IBC brand 7104 one-click cleaner is a mission-critical tool built for today's 400G and 800G data centers. Designed with anti-static dissipative materials, it neutralizes surface charges to prevent static cling debris that can cause permanent fiber scratches and signal loss, an essential feature for high-speed backbone networks. It supports 8, 12, and 24 fiber MPO/MTP connectors and delivers over 525 precision cleanings, providing a fresh, non-fraying drycloth wipe with every click. The keyed nozzle ensures precise alignment, allowing safe cleaning of both pinned, male, and unpinned, female, MT ferrules without risking guide pin damage. Its slim, long barrel design easily reaches recessed bulkheads and dense patch panels, enabling in situ cleaning without disrupting adjacent links. Solvent-free microfiber tape removes oils and particulates in a single push, leaving a clean, dry finish. Built to meet IEC 61300-3-35 standards, this is a professional-grade solution trusted by Tier 1 network engineers. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.